All right, so happy to have you here. Welcome to my channel and to this video. Today we are going to be DIY making some corn on the cob, but specifically out of this world. We're going to be preparing some cilantro lime butter to go on it. Now, obviously, the season is important, right? When you buy your corn, you're going to want to spend a little bit extra to get the best corn on the cob out there. In other words, go to one of your nice supermarkets and look for the freshest corn, right? Because that's going to make a world of a difference. You want those kernels to be nice and plump and juicy and not feel like overcooked, right? So we're going to be snapping them in half and then bringing them to a rolling boil. In fact, just less than boiling is what we like to bring it up to. And then we will kill the heat after indeed it is nice and warm. No need to necessarily boil it for, 20 minutes or anything. Just bring it up to about 210 degrees, 205, maybe 212, right? It's not the end of the world. And then you'll kill the heat and leave them on there. Check the description down below for the full recipe and other details if you're interested. Now for the cilantro lime butter, you're going to be preparing, get some softened butter, right? You can leave it out in the sun, put it in the microwave for a little bit. You don't want it liquidy, but nice and soft, right? And then a half a lime, some steak seasoning, and cilantro is what you're seeing here. And we're going to just mix it all up just like this. Now, it's going to be a little Play-Doh-like. And by the way, the exact measurements, it's more of an art versus a science. You, again, check that description below. I'll put some specific measurements down there if you are a measurement person, but you just kind of add it like this. And then use the underside edge of a spoon to kind of squish it. And you'll just do that until it's all mixed up. Get that corn on the cob out. You can see it pairs well with like salmon, for example. And then you can, little trick here, keep the butter on a little platter and you can roll it like that and it just melts right on there. Or you can apply it with a spoon just like that. But out of this world, highly recommended. And by the way, only 5-star recipes make it onto this channel. If it's not great, it's not getting a video. And that is about it. We'll stop the video there. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for being with me.